How could we manage to fit all these memories inside a week? How could we build such a big friendship? I am Ekrem. I live in Hausa, a small town of Samsun in Turkey. I'm a student at Hausa Anatolia Imam Hatip Secondary School. I have been a part of the project club at my school for 4 years. We have made many projects with different countries from Europe. However, none of them has affected me as much as this Comenius project. During the Turkey mobility, we hosted 18 teachers and students from 9 different countries. It was the first student mobility of our project, which would last 2 years. We built a great friendship. The day they had just arrived, it was obvious that we would be a great team. We were all close to each other during the activity like we had known each other for ages. The first day at school was amazing. 9 countries made their cultural presentation at that after had welcome dinner at traditional Ottoman restaurant. We were happy, energetic and ready to speak. I mean, we weren't shy anymore. The most tiring but enjoyable and exciting day was waiting for us. In spite of its being tiring, next day was full of fun and excitement. We visited Samsun, the homeland of Amazon's women, and took many photos. What I learned during their stay was that I have no borders to different cultures. We shared the same home with people that we weren't even aware of their existence in the world before. We laughed together until we felt a pain in our stomach. I had a big and great team. We sing the same song even if we didn't know the rhythms of it. We caught the rhythm of project. You just listen.
Tito,